Let me ask you something. If your logistics business suddenly doubled its orders tomorrow, would your current software handle it? Or would your team be overwhelmed with phone calls, spreadsheets, delayed deliveries, and unhappy customers? That's the reality many logistics companies face today. The logistics software market is growing rapidly, but many businesses are still losing money because of inefficient operations, poor visibility, and outdated systems. The good news? Modern AI-powered logistics platforms are changing that. So if you're planning to build a logistics app, a fleet management system, a transportation management platform, or a complete supply chain solution in 2026, this video is for you. Before we talk about technology, let's talk about business. Global logistics continues to expand, fueled by e-commerce, same-day delivery expectations, and digital transformation. Yet thousands of logistics companies still depend on manual workflows, disconnected systems, and legacy software. That creates problems like delayed deliveries, poor fleet utilization, high fuel costs, limited shipment visibility, slow customer support. The companies investing in AI-powered logistics software today aren't just improving operations, they're building a competitive advantage for the next decade. Here's where many businesses make a mistake. They think building a logistics app means adding GPS tracking. But customers don't buy software because it has more features. They buy software because it solves expensive problems. Let's follow a real shipment. A customer places an order. Instead of someone manually assigning a driver, AI instantly selects the best available vehicle based on location, traffic, vehicle capacity, and delivery priority. The driver receives the request on their mobile app. The warehouse gets notified automatically. The customer receives real-time shipment tracking and accurate delivery estimates. Meanwhile, your operations team can monitor every shipment, identify delays before they happen, and make informed decisions using live business dashboards. That's what modern logistics software should do, not just track deliveries, but optimize your entire business. Artificial intelligence is no longer an optional feature. It's becoming the engine behind successful logistics businesses. Modern AI can optimize delivery routes in real time, predict shipment delays before they occur, improve fleet utilization, forecast demand, reduce fuel consumption, detect operational bottlenecks, automate repetitive workflows. Instead of reacting to problems, your business starts preventing them. That's the difference between traditional logistics software and intelligent logistics platforms built for 2026. Building a logistics platform isn't just about writing code. It requires understanding how logistics businesses actually operate. From fleet management and warehouse operations to route optimization, ERP integrations, customer portals, AI automation, and cloud scalability. Every decision impacts efficiency, cost, and customer experience. That's why choosing the right development partner matters just as much as choosing the right technology. At Apptunix, we've spent over 13 years helping startups, logistics companies, and enterprises build scalable digital products that solve real business challenges. Whether you're planning to build a logistics app, a transportation management system, a fleet management platform, a warehouse management solution, or a complete AI-powered logistics ecosystem, our team can help you validate your idea, define the right features, and build a secure, scalable solution tailored to your business. If you're ready to transform your logistics operations, book a free consultation with our experts today. We'll help you create a roadmap that aligns with your goals, budget, and growth plans. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on AI, enterprise software, and app development. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.